Crypto bubbles doesn't look that green, but the alpha Bitcoin doesn't care if say Bitcoin, if say crypto bubble should be in green. Bitcoin always give the moves, and other altcoins follow the big daddy. Guys, this is just because of the ETF. Everything now looks so good in anticipation of what is coming in the ETF. We don't know if say this ETF is gonna be approved, disapproved, or maybe delayed. But whatever the case is, I want us all to be ready to cash out some profit. That's why I want us to learn how to avoid losing money in the crypto space. Today's show is going to really help you out there. And if you are new on my platform, kudos to you because you just joined a platform that will help you secure that cash and cap profit, as you invest in this space. I've seen that we are going so great drastically. Now we are at 4,600. That's awesome. I love this. Let's just dive right away. Like subscribe if you're new, just subscribe. Let's just go right away to analyze the market and see what is going. I'm so excited because guys, I mean, when the market is pumping, when everything is pumping, you have to be excited. You have to be happy. Like you have to be happy. If you're not happy, then maybe you are a bear ghost. I have heard of that word, a bear ghost. But guys, let's look at our coins here. Let's first of all look at the big daddy. Let's go to this is a 5 minute time frame, and Bitcoin has. Let's just first of all look at this on lower time frame right now because it might seem as if we are looking good, right? And yeah, we are looking good. So far as Bitcoin is gonna stay above that $44,000, then we are gonna be looking good. So let's see where this 4 hours candle is going to close. So if this 4 hour candle close above the 4,000, right? Then we are good to go. That's very important. You can see Bitcoin has built this strong resistance here right now. Now it's a support, but before it was resistance. You can see right from this. Let me just try to see if say I can mark this zone. It has been moving around this area. Yeah, you can see. And if say Bitcoin is able to break and Bitcoin is able to like how we can see it right now, like what we are looking at right now, if Bitcoin is on the 4 hours time frame close above that range, then we can expect Bitcoin to make an attempt to try like to test, let's say, about 48,000 or 50,000 price points. So I think this could be something we should expect anytime soon. And there are coins that are doing amazing, like Stacks is doing so great. This coin, I have not actually spent time. I know what it's all about, but I've not spent time to chat the coin to look at some price actions with the coin. Also, ICP is doing well. Looking at this zone, Hex also is doing well. ING is doing well. And let's look at what is going on with Tellor. Solana also is doing well. Let's see what's going on with Tellor. See ROB. Let's see what's going on with this coin on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, guys, what I've seen here right now on the 4 hours time frame with TROB Tellor is good because you can see there was a rejection here. See, price rejected this area here on the 4. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame so I can zoom this a little bit. We can all see properly. You can see price rejected this zone here. This is the area that price has rejected. This one also. So it means price is looking at this zone as an area of good support, like strong support. So we want to see price move back upward and start trading above the alpha trend. But guys, wow, the liquidity here is we don't see price attempt to come towards this area. You can see, look at this long buy wick here. This is huge, right? So we can see something like that also in no time within the 4 hours time frame, like a huge pump with this coin. So guys, pay attention. You can get some of it get a little of it. It's not gonna hurt you to get a little of this coin. Is really cool. And also another coin that I have not really done TA on is let's look at Renda. Renda also is doing so great today. Let's see RND, Renda. Let's see what is going on with Renda. Wow, guys, look at the palm and the recovery on the 4 hours time frame. Um, like again, the upside for render, if say this happens, if say we're gonna see the Bitcoin ETF, guys, this is huge. This is huge. Let me estimate how many percent, like from where price is right now, how many percent we can make. Let's say this week, if say the Bitcoin ETF is passed, I think render can move like this was my target 24% from where price is right now. And if so you bought render during that dip, then maybe you should be in profit now already. Let's say from this dip, from here you bought render here, you should be up 38% if say you get to that price zone. But let's say right now, if say you bought render at that dip, there's 11% already profit. That's why I always say to you guys, look at Bitcoin to get the catalyst, to get the go ahead to buy this altcoin. But now looking at render, this is an important area where I think price is gonna play around a little bit. Let's say I don't know how long, but we want to see price break, then come back to retest this, then you can form a head and shoulder or W, right? Something like that, or a W formation or head and shoulder. That could be a case. Yeah, I think that could happen or that can happen, but I'm not gonna like buy this. If say I didn't got it from the bottom, I'm not gonna get it now. I'm gonna wait for it to break quite alright, then come back to retest this zone. And if say it holds, then I'm gonna buy now and take it right up to that area where I mentioned. So that's my play for render. Now let's look at STX stacks. Stacks is so strong. This coin is so strong, guys. I don't know, like this coin is so strong. Let's look at this coin on the 1 hour time frame. I think I'm gonna this coin is gonna be among my top coins soon. It's not like unfortunately this coin is not among my top coin, but you can see the movement here for this coin. Let's look at the weekly time frame. This coin has made even all-time high, and it's not stopping anytime soon. It's just pumping. Look at this candle on on the weekly time frame. I mean, if we're gonna see some sort of retracement, I think I'm gonna go in like a big at this price point. I think this was the last high or like the last all-time high before this. So if you want to see some sort of retracement, I think we're gonna see like really drastic and downward movement with this coin. Like if Bitcoin is gonna do something crazy, then this coin, like also do something crazy. And that's the area where I think in my cool off, this is around let's see how many X this coin has done already, because like from this bottom to the top, let's see how many X, 4X already. And let's try to see if say price, let's do this quickly. Let me take out the Fibonacci retracement. This coin is not stopping, guys. It's pumping. We can see the coin get to $2 today. So yeah, that's the zone where I think I'm gonna wait for let's say getting full time. But I think I'm gonna trade this coin as Bitcoin moves. The downside and upside for this coin is gonna be amazing. Let's see if like this coin can even get to $5 during this bull market, right? Oh, can even see it to $10, because the way the coin is pumping every day, wow, it's like there's something about the coin that I don't know. It has been forming this gradual, like consistent upward trend. You can see it's not stopping. You just have minor retracement to the 200-day moving average, and ever since that's been just going up. Look at this, like retracement. So I think we might see like something like this the same week, something like this. Before price can move forward, but this bad boy is not stopping. It's just keep moving up and up. And another coin that I want you guys to look at is Audi. Now, having said that, I want to communicate to you how you can actually protect yourself investing in the crypto space. I know, like you should, like I always say, profit taking is something you need to learn. People will tell you take out profit, but they won't actually educate you on how to go about taking out this profit. And I really want to see everyone who is part of my community to be successful, guys. Now, yeah, like we have seen Bitcoin have hit 35,000, 48, sorry, 45,000. Now look at the daily time frame. Look at coins that haven't yet pumped. Right? If your coin have pumped, have given you, like your altcoin have given you about how many percent, 10%, 20%, get out from that coin, take out profit, and come to crypto bubbles. Look at the coins that haven't yet pumped yet. Looking at what Bitcoin is doing. Now it shows that IOTA haven't yet pumped, GRT haven't yet pumped, Rune haven't yet pumped, AVAX haven't yet pumped, Gala haven't yet pumped. C is that Chili's haven't yet pumped. Sui haven't yet pumped. Icon haven't yet pumped. GMT is down 11%. So you can look at this coin that haven't yet pumped alongside Bitcoin. Go and look at where the price is and see if the price is attempting to make to move upward, right? To move upward. If price is attempting to move upward, then look also at the trend dealer. I have made a video about the trend dealer and also alpha trend. Look if the alpha trend has printed buy on the 1 hour time frame and or on the 15-minute time frame, then you can get in, and if the coin has done maybe let's say 1 or 2% or just 3% or maybe just 1%, you can get in knowing that because Bitcoin has moved, right? These other altcoins move drastically. From there, if the altcoin bump, you take out profit and you get back into Bitcoin, right? And if say Bitcoin, we're gonna see some sort of major retracement with Bitcoin during this ETF news period, then you can take, let's say, a 20% dip with Bitcoin, and these other altcoins are gonna dip like 50%. Then you can take the Bitcoin and buy those altcoins that made you profit in the first place. And when the Bitcoin recovers, these altcoins are gonna recover even more than Bitcoin. So this is how you protect your crypto. This is how you keep making Bitcoin every now and then, right? So if say you are able to make 1,000 Bitcoin right now, 1,000 Bitcoin, I'm crazy. If I have 1,000 Bitcoin right now, I'm just gonna be like, oh wow, wish I can have 1,000 Bitcoin. When Bitcoin was $1, maybe by then, if I knew about Bitcoin, I would have bought 1,000 Bitcoin. But what I'm trying to say is, you can always sell your Bitcoin to buy any of this altcoin, and when Bitcoin, moves, then you make more profit, guys. This is the game I play, and so far this has been helpful to me, and I'm gonna be singing this over and over and over again. I use think analysis and Bitcoin to help me understand what conditions the market is, and if say I'm a buyer or I'm a seller or I'm just staying out of the market. And at the same time, I look at different scenarios where I cash out profit. And even if my portfolio, like if my portfolio is up, let's say 3x, and I managed to hold Bitcoin after that, and I lost 1x for my portfolio. Like, I mean, I lost 100%. Not everything. Like, if I make 1x, like bit in terms of, let's say I get $1,000 from my Bitcoin, and I 10x that I'm on, right, buying altcoins, and I buy back Bitcoin, and Bitcoin dip, and I lost, let's say, 1x of my Bitcoin. I mean, I have 9x of my Bitcoin, still there, and I can buy now these other altcoins and make a massive gain with it, guys. I want to take out profit. I'm holding Solana. I want to take out profit right now with Solana. So give me some time. I'm seeing Solana is trying to do some stuff here, trying to retrace. So I'm going to cash out some profit with Solana. Then I'm going to wait and see if it cools down. Then I'm going to buy it again. Let me take out this profit from Solana. I'm selling everything. Or maybe let's see Solana. I'm going to sell everything now. And wait to see what will happen in the market. Okay. Now I've taken out my profit from Solana. I was buying Solana yesterday and today. looking at my chart. But I think Solana looks great. Looking at the trend low, I just want it to retrace a little bit and retest to the 5-day EMA. Then I can buy it again cheaper. That's what I do. I do spot trading, and I don't pay any fees doing that. Of course, I pay fees, but not that significant as when you are trading like this other project like futures. All right, guys, I think I'm not gonna do so much right now. I'm looking at my big screen there. Let me just try to see if I can pull the chat. But and yeah, guys, as I was saying, that's how you go about doing all this. You have to be ready, you have to be prepared, be smart to take out profit always. Don't behave like someone who is so greedy, or don't be greedy. Let me not say don't be greedy. If you're greedy, then you cannot really make money in this space. Don't be greedy. Always focus on what is real. What is real is you have a plan, you have a strategy that makes you money over a long period of time. If you don't have that, then you need to be able to create one. Not having a strategy is not good in this space. You need to create one, or be around someone who can help you to create one for you. I'm one of that people who can help you to create one that will help you make money. I'm here every now and then. Join my community. The link is found below this video. Be part of my Patreon. It doesn't cost that much. You can start with the portfolio management, which is I think about $12. Yeah, $12. I mean, if you spend $12 and you are able to make more than that, come on, guys. That's reasonable, right? So that's it, guys, for today. I don't know if there's someone watching who have a question, or there's a coin you want me to chat. At this point in time, if you guys don't have any coin, there's nothing right now, then I'm just gonna call this a go for today. All right, guys. Let's call it a go for today. Have a nice day. Subscribe, and see you in the evening, or see you tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do a live show in the evening, but if not, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.